Hey guys, Blood Groove here. Today we've got a delivery from the knife maker. Let's check out and see what we have. This is a knife from a South African knife maker. Let's see if that gives you any clues to who it might be from. I guess it's a mid-tech. I don't know. I don't know if you would call it that or not. Let's see. I ordered this a while ago. It took about a month to get here. So, a bit of a long wait, but but that's what you're going to expect, I guess, when you're coming overseas sometimes. There we go. Let's do it. All right, let's see. I can't see where the seams are on that. Let's see. Let's just cut through it here. Push this down. There we go. All right. So this is a knife from ADV Tactical, custom knife maker Andre de Villiers, South African knife maker. And let's see what it is. Well, well, well. Well, well, well. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Try that again. There we go. All right. There we go. Nice. Stonewash, black stonewash handle. And I don't know if that's stonewash blade or not. Yeah, I guess so. Pretty cool. I saw this online and at Knife Center and kind of hemmed and hawed on it, and then they sold out. So I contacted the knife maker directly, and he still had some himself, but because of that, I had to wait for the delivery time. This is called the Ronin Integral. Ronin being from the samurai Ronin. I think that's the samurai without a master, and it's a full integral. Pretty cool. I believe it's titanium. As you can see, this was actually made in 2018, so it's brand new, just been sitting on the shelf. The design came from there. I actually think this is a production model. It's not actual custom. I believe it's made by Reich Knives from China, I believe. But I'm really not too sure. Everything's listed as coming from South Africa still on the different websites, but I did see one reference to Reich on this, so I believe this is a production piece. Pretty cool though, I like it. Oh yeah, that feels good. What do you guys think? Pretty cool? Really like that style of blade. I don't know, is that a, I don't know what type of blade that is. Kind of looks Tento-ish, but not really. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think that type of blade is. But it looks really aggressive, that's for sure. That's one of the things that attracted me to it, is just look how aggressive looking it looked. Big old nice spot for your thumb there to get up close with the finger groove there. Finger choil. Oh yeah. That's cool. Didn't realize it. Didn't really think about that when I was ordering it, but that's pretty cool. Get right in there nice and comfortable. Yeah, it's comfortable. What are your thoughts, guys? That's nice. And most importantly, I guess, I can actually open this one. So anyway, just a quick showing of the newest knife that's arrived, guys. I hope y'all like it. Have a good day.